Did you know that the longest sneezing fit on record lasted 978 days? That's right, a woman named Donna Griffiths from England began sneezing on January 13, 1981, and didn't stop until September 16, 1983. Donna was diagnosed with perennial rhinitis, a condition that causes constant sneezing, runny nose, and congestion. She tried various remedies, but nothing seemed to help her sneezing fit. She even took antihistamines, which only provided temporary relief. Can you imagine what it would be like to sneeze every few seconds for almost 3 years? It's hard to imagine the toll it must have taken on Donna's body and mind. Thankfully, her sneezing eventually stopped on its own. This strange and fascinating fact shows us that our bodies are capable of some truly bizarre things. It's a reminder to take care of our health and to be grateful for the times when we're not experiencing any strange or uncomfortable symptoms.